Hi, I'm Grace Wanjiru Gicheru. Came to learn about Centonomy season 21. I attended Centonomy Career Hub where they talked about Centonomy Campus Edition. So I didn't really know much about it, but then with advice from people who have done it, my cousin has done Centonomy and she told me it's actually quite good for me to do it. So I took it on and actually asked my mom to pay for it. One thing I learned about Centonomy is that I hadn't joined university when I came to Centonomy. I was still at home chilling, and one thing I noticed that I was spending a lot of my pocket money and my allowances on food, hang out with friends, and things I didn't even need, or movies that I've watched but I'd want to just watch again, so I'd spent 50 shillings on buying it again. I wasted a lot of money, and when I calculated it, it comes to about, let's just say, a lot of money that I should have saved. Yeah. So when I joined Campus Editions on episode 1, it was amazing. First of all, it was mind-blowing because I didn't know that I was actually spending money on the things that I don't need, and I actually came to about saving. When I started university on the second week of Campus Edition, I came to saving at least 100 shillings or 200 shillings every week from my allowance. Whoever is watching this, please don't feel like the 15,000 or the 14,000 is too much. It's worth your money. You can be saving that 100 bob or 200 bob every week, and can actually help in the future. And everything that you write down in this class, please don't forget your notebook and pen, for these are the tools you need in this class, and that everything you write down, go through it each and every week. Trust you me, it is amazing, and come with an open mind where you're ready to learn and actually gain skills.